So I've heard about it and now I'm going to try it. It's time to put the gas on and I am going to fry up for myself some Christmas cake. So in goes the butter and we'll let that melt down and then we'll fry the Christmas cake. I'm afraid it doesn't get any more complicated than that. It's just that I've never tried it before and I'm desperate to have a go. Some people say it sounds disgusting. To me it sounds absolutely delicious. What more could be added to Christmas cake than butter? Now you probably can see I've taken away the icing. There was some marzipan on there. I'm not going to tell you whether or not I've already eaten that. And I'm just melting down my butter. That's good enough for me. Turn the heat down a little. There we go. And let's pop it in. Good. I can't hear a sizzle. Let's turn the heat back up. I think it might look a bit big there, but it's not that big. It's not that big. I mean, let's call it medium sized. If I went to a cafe, I'd be very disappointed if it wasn't at least this size. All right, so I'm beginning to pick up some sizzle, and we'll let that go for a minute or two, and then we'll flip it over. And well, what's left to do after that? Oh yeah, I'll have to eat it. And you'll have to go off and make some for yourself. Sizzling away nicely now. Butter's really going for it. Whoa, look at that. Super. I can smell that butter now. Brilliant. Got a reasonably good saucepan so it's not sticking. Picking up that butter, frying away. Whoa. So that's had about a minute. We'll let it go a little bit longer and then I'll flip it over. Then it'll be time to serve it up and I can start eating it. A little bit of smoke coming up off of there now. Maybe that's time to turn it over. Oh yes. Let's collect up that butter. Oh yes. Smells good, looks good. I'm not even hungry and I'm desperate to get this down me now. I've not long had lunch. What a great experiment. And I've got plenty of cake left to do this again. Whoa, yes. Okay, how hot's that going to be? Oh, it's crumbling apart. My mouth's watering. It's going to be brilliant. Oh yeah. Oh, that was good. I'm having some more. Oh, that's worth doing. Highly recommended. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Christmas cake fried in butter. Oh.